Skyline Builders Group Holding Ltd., or SKBL, is making waves with its upcoming IPO. This company is all about transforming urban landscapes, focusing on sustainable and innovative construction. With a strong portfolio of projects and a commitment to eco-friendly practices, SKBL is positioned to capitalize on the booming real estate market. Investors are buzzing about their potential for growth, especially as cities continue to expand. Plus, their emphasis on community engagement sets them apart in the industry. Keep an eye on SKBL. This IPO could be a game changer for both the company and its investors.